Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we're going to restore the closed tabs on Google Chrome. Okay, so let me open the Google Chrome first, and I have opened, like you can see, 4 tabs here. Okay, and if I close this and I want to you know restore those tabs all as it is, so how to do that? Just I'm reopening the Google Chrome so that you can see it properly. Okay, so let's say your system is shut down or you restarted your system, but you want to open all the tabs again. So you just need to click on this 3 dots here. Okay, and click on history, and once you click on history, you will get the the recently opened tabs in the tab section here, history, and then you will see the restore windows. Okay, just click on restore windows, and here you can see, if I again close it, the same, if I open the 5 tabs here again. Okay, and let me again open the Google Chrome history. You can see 7 tabs open now, and click on restore. So this is very easy, but this is very this is very useful trick to restore the all the open tab in the Google Chrome. Okay, and also you need to make sure that this option is tick here, like go to settings, and let me go to that option where there should be the option on starter. You can see open the new tabs page, continue where you left off, and you can tick this option, continue where you left off. Okay, like it will automatically open it. Let me tick this option. If I open this again, you can choose what happens. Okay, not startup. Okay, tick this option, open the new tab page. Okay, and make sure if this option is not working, your Google Chrome should be up to date. Click on about Google Chrome and it will try to update your window. So hope this video is useful for you and your issue has been fixed now. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.